What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Everlenia.Chenelle here, and of course I am back with another look. It's just like a new look with a twist, and as y'all can see, it's already bomb, but I gotta show y'all how to do it. But of course, before we get into the look, let's go ahead and, you know, get everything out the way. So go ahead and subscribe, turn your notifications on so you know when I'm posting, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Today, to prep my eyes, I'm just gonna be using my P.Louise Base in the shade Rumor 4, and y'all already know I'm just gonna put that all over my eyelids so that I can prep it for my eyeshadow. For eyeshadow today, I'm gonna be using my Too Faced Teddy Bear palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's very nice and simple, it is cute. So the shades, oh, I was about to say the shades aren't named, but they're on the back. So the shades that I'm gonna be using out of this palette are, I'm sorry, I gotta make sure they're lined up. So Boop, Teddy Bear, and Fuzzy Wuzzy. Those are the three shades that I'm gonna be using out of this palette. So I'm gonna use the Boop, which is this color right here, to you know, for my outer corner of my eye. I'm gonna use the Fuzzy Wuzzy to lighten up the edges, and then I'm gonna use the Teddy Bear for my actual lid. So Boop for the outer corner, Fuzzy Wuzzy to soften up the edges of the outer corner, and then Teddy Bear for my lid. Next, to create like this, like the neon liner part, what I used was my Norvina collection. This is the electric cake liner. So this is the one that I used, of course. This is the electric pink, and I just sprayed it with a little bit of my Mario Badescu spray, just to make it a little more liquid, I guess would be the word, I don't know. But so I sprayed that with a little bit of my Mario Badescu spray, and then I went in with the pink from my Neon Baddie Pigment, and I got these off of Instagram, y'all. But I used the neon pink out of here just to make sure that it doesn't run, for lack of better words. For wing liner, I'm using my NYX Epic Wear in the shade Black, and of course I'm just gonna create a nice little wing liner, nothing too dramatic, but a nice wing liner. And of course that's why I have this little patch right here for more control. All right, moving on to face, because we're gonna do the lashes later. So, using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer, I'm just gonna prime my face and prep it for my foundation. For the foundation today, we're using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. This is my shade, of course, NC50, and yeah, I'm just gonna apply that. Oh no, I'm gonna do color correcting first. I always forget. So color correcting, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna color correct first, and I'm gonna use my Black Radiance HD corrector. My Black Radiance HD corrector in the shade orange, and then I'm gonna apply the MAC foundation. To highlight today, I think I'm gonna try something a little different because I've never tried this before, which is, I mean, people have been doing it, so it's nothing new, but I'm gonna try to put like a lighter color concealer, which will be this I Heart Revolution Heartbreaker in the shade Honey. Yeah, the shade Honey. And then I'm gonna try to put Golden Honey like on the outer. So I'm gonna put Honey like closer in my inner corner, and then the Golden Honey on the outside, because apparently it's supposed to like make it brighter, I guess, my inner corner brighter. So I'm gonna try that, and then of course I'm gonna just use Golden Honey everywhere else that I'm choosing to like highlight. For contour, per usual, I'm using my Black Radiance True Complexion Cream Contour Palette. And this is the medium to dark. And I'm going to just use, of course, the contour shade out of here to contour my nose, my cheeks, my forehead, and my chin. To set my highlight today, I'm gonna be using my Sacha Buttercup in my Juvia's Place in the shade Gobi. That's the name of it, Gobi. And of course, I'm just gonna apply that everywhere that I apply my highlighting concealer. Of course, y'all know, if I can get my words together, to set my my contour, I'm gonna be using my tried and true Black Radiance True Complexion Palettes. And of course, just like my highlighting concealer, I'm just gonna apply this everywhere I apply that contour concealer. Now I'm gonna just set everything with some Mario Badescu setting spray and my flat top brush. Alright, using my Morphe Glam Bronze in the shade Trailblazer, I am just going to warm up my face just a little bit more because already it's snatched, but I want to add a little bit more. And for the glow today, I'm just going to use the highlighter that's in my Black Radiance True Complexion powder. My powder palette. And I'm just use this right here. This is the highlight that they have in there. And to add a little bit more glow, I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution Glow Revolution setting spray. And y'all already know I'm just gonna spray my face with that. Alright, so now it's time for a little lip service, right? So I'm gonna be using my Wet n Wild pencil to just outline my lips. And then I'm gonna use my NYX Butter Glosses. I'm gonna use two of them. I'm gonna use the shade Madeline and the shade Fortune Cookie. And then I'm gonna top it off with some of my clear gloss. Get you some of this from the hair store. And yeah, that's gonna be the look. Lips, and then I'm gonna put on my lashes. And then, yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for the video. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look, and y'all already know I think it's cute. So this is bomb, just like a nude look with a twist. And I didn't put my lashes on camera, but I'll link, well, these are some Amazon lashes, so I'll try to put the link because they didn't really have a name. But also, I'll put the mascara I use down there too. And then, of course, I put a little hot pink in my inner corner. Ooh. 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 Don't play with that girl. She is not one of them. Okay? Fire. So, with that being said, of course, I want to say thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.